Welcome back to Coyote Classics. Today we are checking out a one-of-a-kind 1973 Chevy Nova. This thing is just badass, and in my opinion, this is the best looking 73 Nova I've seen. Just great looking, high performance.
I'll tell you what, dude, we get some pretty cool stuff in here, don't we?
Yeah, we do.
Pretty cool cars.
Under the hood is a built 383 stroker. We have receipts of $16,000 on building the motor and tranny, done by a very reputable shop that we've heard a lot about.
Yeah, they do a great job. A lot of my personal friends has him build their engines. I mean, we're talking $18,000, $20,000 engines for a lot of those guys. So he knows what he's doing, and this one didn't disappoint when I took it down the road. I think it was dynoed at just over 500 horse. So that's where the motor's dynoed at. We got a $700 R4 automatic transmission, headers, and cold air conditioning. That's pretty damn neat.
It is. A lot of nice options and upgrades on this. Steering, brakes, ice cold air, 383 stroker, 4-speed auto.
All new tubular A-arms.
Yep.
But the paint scheme is gorgeous.
Yeah, it's sweet. They got rid of course, that 73 bumper for the front and put on just a nice, sleek, 70 to 72 version of that front end. So that looks awesome. I love the two-tone with the red pinstripe. And another thing that I think really just sets this off is that built-in spoiler.
I've never seen that before on a Nova.
It looks great.
I love it.
It looks sweet.
Look how straight it is, though. I mean, it's just like glass up and down the sides.
Beautiful car.
I like the choice of wheels, those black US mags with that touch of chrome. Goes perfectly. Corners of her doors are all original and nice. Door jamb paint's beautiful. They even carried it, the striping and the gray in the door jambs. They did a nice job on this one. It's got some nice comfortable seats in them. Recline.
Custom, or a full console in there, different console, B&M shifter.
It's kind of nice. I mean, it's just comfortable. I mean, the outside of this car is 100% show quality, under the hood show quality. The inside's a nice driver, but it's also built for comfort. It's got the nice seats in it with the cup holders and everything. I mean, it's just ready to jump in and drive.
Yeah, headliners is excellent.
Not too many build a car like this, too many people, and then put air and everything else on it. I mean, it's got some nice upgrades.
Yes, it does. It does.
Go ahead and open our trunk once.
Original rear bumper, so you had a couple little scuffs, but...
Probably should show this to you. A lot of people are like, how does that look with that spoiler? Look at that. Not a look at anything on there, is there?
No.
Must be must be an aftermarket trunk lid.
Yeah, it's just an aftermarket trunk lid that's built in. Yeah, that's what it is.
Not that anyone cobbled, that's for sure.
No, this is aftermarket, custom trunk lid. Pretty cool. Extra parts, original grill.
Yeah, nice and solid. It's like original Nova emblem, stuff like that. But really nice job in the door jambs, really nice job in the trunk jambs as well. Whoever painted it did a great job.
Driver's side's nice and straight as well. You can see the reflection of the flag in that black paint, just super sleek.
I thought I seen one at one point, not now, but at one point I seen one tiny little ding somewhere. I don't know where the heck it's at. Thought I seen it one time, but.
Bottom of the rear quarter looks good.
It's funny, I went around the car twice and I can't find it again. Man, somebody's gonna love this one, dude. Just the way it's set up, all the performance options,
Sweet.
upgrades.
It's a fun car. And it does with that 700 R4. That transmission was built too by the same speed shop that did the motor.
2500 stall, I think, in that B&M.
Yeah. So it's got a stall and a lockout for the converter. Yep. Which is great with this kind of performance. It's what you want.
Bottom of the front fender, bottom of the door, and both sides line up beautifully, and so does the back of the hood.
Well, I think I've really seen perfection, just a couple little bubbles down here.
And then that one tiny little chip, but that
Oh, yeah.
can be touched up. Yeah, it's straight. Nice car.
Hood fits great.
And then they put in a 72 grill as well, 72 bumper. So original grill is in the trunk there. Which I'm so glad they did, because the 72 front end is so much better looking than the
Dome light works. I'll tell you what, the seats are super comfortable, aren't they? I mean, you're just gonna hold us right in your seat. That's what I like about these ones.
Here's great oil pressure. Temp gauge works. Amp gauge looks like that works as well.
What a sweet car, doll.
Horn works. Wipers work. Air, we already know how nice that is.
Yep.
It's not just a radio in here, it's got a nice sound system, good speakers. This car, the guy just built it to drive and have a hell of a lot of fun with, and turn a lot of heads too.
It's a pretty badass car.
That's awesome, dude. Just puts you right back in the seat.
And it's so driver friendly. You know,
Yeah,
the way the
it is.
steering is, the way it shifts.
Brakes are awesome. It's a great car. So at the stop sign here, obviously went through tack works, radio works, and sounds great.
Isn't it awesome car?
It's a cool car. Gas gauge works.
It's got a great idle too. We're sitting at about 600 RPMs. It's got that nice cammed up. And the air's going.
Yeah.
Set perfectly right now. Power steering's really nice.
Fast. Puts you right back in the seat.
And that's just putting it in drive and going. And look at all that power, and we're doing 2,400 RPM right now.
That's what's
Going down the highway. Look at this.
That's what's great with that 4-speed auto.
We should roll up your back window when you stop here. Here's your high-speed braking. No pull left to right. The brakes are perfect. The steering's excellent. Look at that.
Back
The
window,
window goes up that easy, man. That's pretty tough on a Nova.
Yeah, it is. A lot of these Nova rear windows are always the biggest pain in the ass, it seems like.
We'll go through the gears now. It's warmed up good to about 180. We'll watch our RPMs. That's what I like about these small blocks. They can handle it too.
Man, it's fun. It's awesome.
It's beyond awesome. Those are 4,000 RPM shifts, and you can do it without any hands on the wheel. Third gear, there's fourth gear right up in it. And like you said, you can use a B&M converter, but this car is just badass.
Yeah, it's sweet.
It's just built so right. They did such a nice job on it, didn't they?
Yeah, it is just a great car.
And like I said, all with air conditioning. He's smiling. I'm smiling. You're smiling.
It's fun. That's awesome, dude. Great car. Next guy's gonna absolutely love it. Check it out on the site, coyoteclassics.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next test drive.